Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download a GTA San Andreas. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the process that I am going to show you and how you can download San Andreas or GTA San Andreas on your device is by Steam. So if you want to know how you can do that, just continue watching this video. So again, if you have already gotten into Steam, what you can do in the search bar right here is just simply type in GTA San Andreas, just like so, and then just hit enter on your keyboard or click the search icon right here. So just simply do that, and then you should be able to have different results from the search. So I'm just going to click onto the first one right here, the Grand Theft Auto V, and then after that, as you scroll down right here, you can select the bundle that you want to add on your cart. So you can buy Grand Theft Auto V Premium Edition, or the Premium Edition and the Megalodon Shark Card bundle, and the Premium Edition and Whale Shark Card bundle. So just select from this and right here from these options, and then if you have chosen, and then what you can do next is to click the add to cart button. So just click on it, and then after that you can just go ahead and purchase that for yourself, or you can opt to purchase that as a gift. So I'm just going to click into the purchase that to myself, and then what you need to do right here is to sign in into your account. So since I don't have an account, so I'm just going to guide you through that. So after you've signed in, you'll have an option where you'll need to select the payment method that you want to use as you buy the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas uh, in the Steam. So just go ahead and do that, and just input your information and click into download. And after you've downloaded the game on your device, what you can do is to head into your Steam again, and then go into the library section, and in the library just click into or the hit GTA, and then you should be able to see the install button and just simply install it to completely download the game into your device. So that's it for this video. That's how you can download a GTA San Andreas. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.